Welcome students to our channel, the GI Study World. I am Rohit Dubey, SST faculty from the Gurukulam International School. I am here to teach you about the topic states and their capital. So let's start.
Welcome back students. Let's start our topic states and their capital. So our first state is Andhra Pradesh and the capital of this state is Amravati. The next state is Arunachal Pradesh and its capital is Itanagar. The next state is Assam and the capital of Assam is Dispur. Bihar, Patna, Chhattisgarh, Raipur, Goa, Panji, Gujarat, Gandhinagar, Haryana, Chandigarh, Himachal Pradesh, Shimla, Jharkhand, and the capital of Jharkhand is Ranchi, Karnataka, Bangalore. Its old name was Bangalore, but the new name is Bangalore. Kerala, Tiruvananthapuram, Madhya Pradesh, Bhopal, Maharashtra, Mumbai, Manipur, Imphal, Meghalaya, Shillong, Mizoram, Aizawl, Nagaland, Kohima, Odisha, Bhubaneswar, Punjab, Chandigarh. The point to note is that the capital of Haryana and the capital of Punjab both have the same capital, and the capital is Chandigarh. So there are two states which has the same capital, and the capital is Chandigarh. The next state is Rajasthan, the largest state of India, that is Rajasthan, and the capital is Jaipur. Sikkim, Gangtok, Tamil Nadu, Chennai. Its old name was Madras, but the new name is Chennai. Telangana, the newest state of India, it was formed in 2014. Its capital is Hyderabad. Tripura, Agartala, Uttarakhand, Dehradun, Uttar Pradesh, Lucknow, and the last state is West Bengal, and its capital is Kolkata. So this was the list of states and their capital. Hope you understand it very well. So thank you.